In this video, we're going to compare two powerful transcription tools, TurboScribe and Otter.ai. If you've ever needed to turn a video, meeting, or podcast into text, these tools can save you tons of time. But which one is better? Which one's more accurate, easier to use, and gives more value for your money? And there's one surprising difference between them that most users totally overlook. We'll get to that soon. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what each tool does, how they're different, and which one might be right for you. Let's get started. TurboScribe and Otter.ai are both AI transcription tools. That means they take audio, like from a meeting, lecture, or YouTube video, and automatically turn it into written text. Instead of typing everything out yourself, they do it for you. That's super useful if you're a student needing lecture notes, a content creator working on subtitles, or a business person recording meetings. But here's the thing. Even though they do the same job, the experience of using them is completely different. You'll see why in just a minute. So both of them have the same basic goal: turn speech into text, fast and accurately. Now let's look at how they compare. Accuracy is a big deal. You don't want a transcript full of mistakes. Otter.ai has been around longer, and it's known for being very accurate, especially in clean audio situations like Zoom meetings or recorded speeches. It can even recognize different speakers and separate them. TurboScribe, while newer, is very impressive. Many users report that it's just as accurate as Otter, sometimes even more, especially with casual speech and different accents. It handles punctuation well and produces very readable transcripts. But one of these tools actually struggled with a foreign accent test. Want to guess which one? We'll come back to that later. Bottom line, both are strong on accuracy. Otter might edge out slightly in business settings with lots of speakers, but TurboScribe is surprisingly close. Now let's talk about how easy they are to use. TurboScribe keeps it super simple. You just upload your audio or video, and it spits out a clean transcript. No distractions, no complicated menus. Otter.ai is also user-friendly, but it offers more features like recording within the app, joining Zoom calls, or linking with your calendar. It's a bit more advanced, which is great for some users, but it might feel a bit overwhelming if you just want a quick transcript. Here's where most new users get tripped up, but it's not what you'd expect. I'll reveal the most common beginner mistakes shortly. So, if you're looking for simplicity, go with TurboScribe. If you want extra features, Otter might suit you better. Speaking of features, let's compare what each tool offers. Otter.ai gives you live transcription during meetings, speaker identification, summary highlights, team collaboration features, integration with Zoom, Google Meet, and more. It's built with professionals in mind, great for teams and businesses. TurboScribe, on the other hand, focuses on speed and simplicity. You upload a file and it gives you the text, fast. It doesn't have collaboration tools yet, but it keeps things clean and efficient. And it's constantly improving. But here's the part that really surprised me, and it might change the way you think about fewer features. We'll talk about that in the pricing section. So it depends what you need. Otter is more of a full platform. TurboScribe is more of a fast, no-frills tool for creators and students. All right, let's talk money. Here's where the tables turn. TurboScribe is a game changer here. It gives you 30 minutes of free transcription every day. Yes, every day. That's up to 15 hours a month, totally free. And if you need more, the unlimited plan is just $10 a month. Otter.ai gives you 300 free minutes per month on its free plan. If you need more, the Pro plan is around $16.99 monthly, or $10 if paid yearly, and it gives you 1,200 minutes a month. The business plan is $30 a month and adds team features. So, what's the catch? Is TurboScribe too good to be true? I'll explain what to watch out for in just a second. If you're on a budget or transcribe often, TurboScribe gives more time for less money. Let's make it simple. Use TurboScribe if you're a student, content creator, or freelancer. You just need fast, clean transcripts. You're looking for a cheaper option. Use Otter.ai. If you work in business or education, you need to record live meetings or use team features. You want more tools for managing transcripts. And here's the surprising part. I actually use both of them in different situations. I'll tell you how I switch between them depending on the job right after this next tip. Both tools are great. It just depends on what you're trying to do. To wrap it all up, both TurboScribe and Otter.ai are awesome tools. They help you save time, stay organized, and focus on your content instead of typing. TurboScribe wins on price and simplicity. Otter wins on features and collaboration. If you're just getting started or want fast transcripts without spending a lot, try TurboScribe first. If you work with a team, attend a lot of meetings, or need advanced tools, Otter is a solid investment. Still can't decide? In the description, I've linked a 60-second demo of both tools side by side. Watch that next. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments, which one would you use? See you in the next video.